Mr. Brian?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. It's me again, Yankee Charlie Zero, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Mr. Brian, Delta United 9, Zulu Sierra Sek Bravo Radio. I'm calling you again, my friend. How do you copy?
My goodness me, you're very strong. 15 to 20 dB over now. I don't know what you did there, but very good, very strong. You sound like a local station here. 15 to 20 dB, very good there, my friend. Wow, big signal, over.
Roger, Roger. Thank you, my friend, for your reporting. You have a good audio, my friend. Your signal is 5 and 7, but your audio is very strong. Maybe you have more power, or I don't know. Because it's now your signal is uh, still 5.7, but your audio is very strong. In this now, I'm using Yagi 3 element, my friend. Yagi 3 element. Before I have antenna is a vertical ground plane antenna. In this now, I'm Yagi and directing to Philippines. That's why my signal is very strong to you, my friend. Mr. Brian, introduce. My name is Fayyas, Florida Alpha Yankee Alpha Sierra. Florida Alpha Yankee Alpha Sierra. Delta United 9, Zulu Sierra 6 Bravo Radio, Yankee Charlie Zero Sierra Juliet Alpha. Back to you.
Okay, is that correct? Florida Alpha Yankee Alpha Sierra. Florida, over.
Roger. Correctly, my friend, Fayyas.
Oh, very good. Okay, yes. Now the 3 element is much stronger, much better. Oh yeah, big difference. I'm using a TH6 6 element tri-bander. I think it's 4 elements on this band. It's 4 elements working on the 10-meter band. 4 elements is working on the 15-meter band, and the 3 elements working on the 20-meter band. So I'm pointing towards South Africa, which also same. I think same direction. South Africa, Indonesia, west. I'm pointing the antenna west. I'm not sure the correct direction. Philippines, Indonesia. Is it? Are you pointing your antenna? Is it east, over?
Roger. My pointing is east, and that's why you have receiving good and strong signal from my radio station, my friend. You pointing to South Africa because maybe the short path to is Jakarta, Indonesia, at my place, KTH, my friend. Ah, my friend, I don't know. South Africa is very, really uh, uh, not copy very well. Not copy very well. Indonesia to Jakarta, Indonesia to South Africa. I don't know. Maybe too long or something, because in this now I'm can copy call send from South Africa, but you in this now in Philippines. It's okay. Maybe sometime maybe I have propagation is good. I can get contact from South Africa, my friend. It's really hard to your place, South Africa. I'm sorry, Mr. Brian. In this now, I'm recording video because my first time contact call sign from Africa with 10-meter single side band. I hope you understand, and I'll be upload to my YouTube maybe night or tomorrow, my friend. Thank you, my friend, for calling me again. Delta United 9, Zulu Sierra 6 Bravo Radio, Yankee Charlie 0, Sierra Juliet Alpha. Back to you.
Okay, very good, Fayyas. Yeah, it's working very well. Your antenna, your radio, good audio, very strong and nice signal. No problem, very good. Okay, I understand the recording and all the rest. That sounds like very nice facility, very nice. There's another station also doing it. Another station from Indonesia is always on YouTube, always live on YouTube with the DX on the radio. The station I was talking to is from Barley Island, Madi. The Yankee Bravo 9, Charlie, Quebec, November. Madi from Barley Island, the one I was talking to just now. I don't know if you could hear him. Not sure if you could hear him on your side, but good signal, big signal here also by me. Yeah, South Africa, the DX of South Africa, I don't know. Something is not easy, always a challenge. And the signal is always fading and sometimes very strong, sometimes very weak, up and down. So I don't know why. South Africa is a challenge, is a problem for DX on the radio. Okay, very good, Fayyas. So, your three element is working very well. I think much stronger, much better signal than the vertical. I also have a vertical antenna here, 5/8 ground plane vertical. I quickly change. I need to check the difference, okay? I'm on my beam antenna now. Okay, now I'm running the vertical. This is now the vertical ground plane 5/8 antenna, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I switch back with the beam antenna, over.
Roger. Okay. I got the different, my friend. I got the different. The first transmit from your vertical antenna, the signal is down to 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Down to 1 and 3, and audio is very low. Very low. But you have come back to your Yagi is now and up. 5 and 7 again. 5 and 7 again, but your audio is very strong. That's why the different my first antenna is very not good because it's vertical, and then now I'm using Yagi 3 element. That's why you have a good receiving, my friend. The Mr. Made, Yankee Bravo 9 Charlie Quebec November. I'm not copy very well, my friend. That's Indonesia. Although we have a good country, we have the same country Indonesia. Sometimes we have a skip to Jakarta to Bali, my friend. I don't know. That's unique from the 10-meter band. The uniquely 10-meter band. The locally sometimes we have not copy, but the DX is a good copy, my friend. I don't know. And that uh, uh, same like challenge to South Africa. It's very hard, my friend. Very hard. And it's now I get the call sent from South Africa. I have good recording video. Maybe I can could upload in this moment, my friend. Okay, thank you, my friend. Because I have to going to pray. I'm a Muslim. And the Maghrib in my place, my friend. Maybe we can contacting QSO again with another time, my friend. Thank you very much and good day. Stay healthy, my friend. 7-3, bye-bye.
Okay, very good. Yeah, no problem. awesome. Okay, we'll QSO another day. 73, thank you very much. Terima kasih sama-sama 73, and have a good evening, all the best. And thank you for the signal report and all the rest. Your station is QSO. No problem. Very good signal here. Bye-bye, my friend. Good DX. Good weekend. Bye-bye. Thank you, 73.
73 selamat.